Good morning. So we have a scheduled pre-bid conference this morning, but before we proceed, we would like to acknowledge those who are present. So we have a quorum. With us is Engineer Leonard de Guzman, Engineer Alan Pajimna, Engineer Geogracias Barrios, Engineer Roberto Pingol, our Vice Chairman, also Engineer Maripe Habon, Procurement Staff, Engineer Arvin Manahan, the Head of the Procurement Unit, Engineer Prisa Diaz, Mrs. Casey Salasak, Engineer Edgardo Yarza. For our support here, we have Mr. Edison, Engineer Rivera, Mr. Ablin, and we have a guest. Sir, would you please introduce yourself?
Hello po, good morning. My name po is John Gardo po, Sales Engineer from X Structures Engineering Consultants po.
So, the bidding for contract ID number 25GOH009 to 25GOH0010 will be on May 29, 2025, and it shall be conducted through open competitive bidding procedures using non-discretionary pass-fail criterion as specified in the 2016 IRR of Republic Act 9184. A complete set of bidding documents can be acquired in the Procurement Office of South Manila District Engineering Office upon payment of the applicable fee for bidding documents, and it may also be downloaded free of charge from the website of PhilJebs and the website of the procuring entity. Bid submission may be done manually or manually. The guidelines for the preparation of manual submission are contained in the bid data sheet of the bidding documents. Manual submission of bids must be duly received by the Box Secretariat on or before 9 o'clock a.m. of May 29, 2025. All bid must be accompanied by a bid security in any acceptable forms in the amount stated in the instruction to bidders under Clause 14. The validity of the bid security is 120 calendar days. The bid opening shall be live streamed on YouTube. Just reach for the link https://youtube.com/@dpwh.smanila_DEO. For the checklist of technical and financial documents, it is also contained in the last part of the bidding documents. Please download and follow the instructions stated therein. Just make sure that all your permits and licenses are valid and updated. All pages of bid documents, financial and technical, must be properly filled up and be duly signed by the authorized signing officials, and all the bid documents being required for submission must be book-bounded, numbered, and paginated consecutively. Ring bind is acceptable, the total number of which must be indicated in the covering page and must be signed by the duly authorized representative as per DO number 90, series of 2002. Any bid submitted after the deadline for submission and receipt of bid as set on May 29, 2025 at 9 a.m. shall be declared late and shall not be accepted. Bids may submit one copy for each technical and financial envelope. For any queries, you may call the BAC Chairman, yours truly, Arielita Cabrera, and the BAC Secretariat, Engineer Maripe M. Habon. You can find our contact numbers and email address in the invitation to bid. Ang nakaschedule natin is yung pong contract ID number 25GOH0038 is the purchase for software application, building structural analysis and design software, Perpetual, for use of planning and design section. Approved budget for the contract is 1,858,600 752 pesos. Ang delivery period po natin is 30 calendar days and the cost of bid document is 5,000 pesos. And then we have contract ID number 25GOH0009, contract name, purchase of materials needed for the 127th anniversary of the Proclamation of Philippine Independence on June 12, 2025, and other materials needed for the various events of physical arrangement unit. Approved budget for the contract is 2,974,290 pesos, and the delivery period is 30 calendar days. The cost of bid documents is 5,000 pesos. And then contract ID number 25GOH0010, purchase of non-destructive testing equipment and apparatus, rebar, scanner, radar, type of concrete rebound hammer and testing anvil for the use of planning and design section. Approved budget for the contract is 15 million and the delivery period is 30 calendar days. Cost of bidding documents 25,000 pesos. Okay, so are there any questions, clarifications, or any concerns that you would like to raise?
Yes po. For the contract ID po, yung sa software po, based po sa specifications, bali, itong software po is, hindi po siya isang software lang, parang bundle po siya. Tama po ba? Kasi po, may ano po, foundation design and then connection design po. And then sa steel design po, may including seismic special provisions po. So for steel connection po, the steel connection should be capable of designing po pre-qualified seismic connection since the Philippines is a high seismic zone po. So, bundle po siya.
Yes sir, bundle 2 yan sir.
Okay. Nasagot ba ang iyong katanungan? Sa ating online viewer, meron bang nakalagay sa ating chat box? Good morning po sa ating online viewer. Do you have any question, clarification that you want to raise? Ikaw sir, baka may additional ka pa na question.
I-clarify ko lang po ng subject bounded po. Hindi po pwede yung ring bind po.
Ring bind is acceptable.
Acceptable. Thank you po.
Basta paginated, no? May page 1, 2, 3 nakalagay na gano'n. Tapos ring bind is acceptable. Ano pa? No more? Oh, sige. So, any other online viewer? May question ba? Clarification? Wala? Okay. Ayan. Meron tayong supplemental bulletin for 25GOH0038 na yung para sa purchase of software application. Current provision ay purchase of software application, building structure analysis and design software Perpetual for this planning section. Ang ating amended provision ay purchase of software application, building structure analysis and design software Perpetual for use of planning and design section. Title lang. Oo, title lang yung inamin. Rectification of contract name and additional technical specification. topographical error lang. Yung design. So, wala na. Klaro naman, sir, no? Okay. So, wala nang question yung ating guest at wala namang online question sa ating chat box. Any motion from the group? Since there are no questions, clarification, or issues learned, there is a motion and there is a second motion for the adjournment. We therefore declare that our pre-bid conference this morning adjourned. We'll see each other on May 20. Okay. Ano yan? Okay, bidding ng civil works. Bidding of civil works and goods on May 20. Okay, so thank you all for coming.